Building credit with Capital One is a straightforward process that requires some knowledge and planning. To establish credit with Capital One, start by checking if you are pre-approved for any of their credit cards, as this can increase your chances of approval. You can do this by visiting the Capital One website and using their pre-approval tool. Once you find a card you are pre-approved for, apply for it by filling out the online application and providing the required information, such as your income, employment status, and social security number. If you are approved, make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of your new credit card, including the interest rate, fees, and credit limit. To build credit with your new Capital One card, make sure to make on-time payments every month. Set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment, and try to pay more than the minimum payment to reduce your debt and save on interest. Keep your credit utilization ratio low by keeping your balance below 30% of your credit limit. Monitor your credit report and score regularly to track your progress. You can request a free credit report from the 3 major credit bureaus once a year and use online tools to check your credit score. Avoid applying for multiple credit cards in a short period, as this can negatively affect your credit score. By following these steps and maintaining good credit habits, you can establish and build credit with Capital One. Remember to always make responsible financial decisions and use credit wisely to achieve long-term financial stability. With time and effort, you can establish a strong credit history and enjoy better financial opportunities.